Hi guys. Hey, you know how sometimes you want to just pop that pimple? Well, let me tell you, when you're going to check your fuel filter, and especially if it's hard to get to, when you pull that out, you want it to be able to see some junk. You know? Yeah. Hey, I just wanted to show you my fuel filter maintenance. Took it apart, and it's one of those weird things. If you go to the effort of taking it apart, you want to actually find something. But wow, I gotta see. This is the little canister, or the threaded end, and then the end that the filter goes in. There's the little stainless steel mesh filter right there, guys. Now I need to figure out a way to show you guys. This is the finer, it's a 40 micron, I think. This is the finer filter close to the carburetor. I checked the one by the fuel pump last night, and that's fine. But this thing's about half plugged. On a quick look, it looks fine. Alright. I'm going to see if I can somehow show you guys how plugged it is. Check it out. Now that I got the light a little ways back, you can see it. See that? To me, it's almost like 50% or halfway plugged. Not quite, but you get the idea. So this is going to the carburetor. So guys, time for maintenance. Wow. Yep, she's getting loose. There you go. Oh boy, guys. Oh boy. Wow. So we got some junk in there and in the filter. There you go, guys. Looks like, just without looking close at it, looks like sawdust or something. I don't know what the heck. Probably the ethanol fuel crap or whatever. See that? In there too. Some kind of crystal granule like looking stuff. Dug the stuff out of the filter, guys. Check it out. The crystal stuff in the black housing. You can see the little, I scraped the screen, but you can see the little bits there still. And then on the paper here, the little things that look like sand, I guess. So guys, get out there and do your fuel system maintenance. Later. Like, comment, and subscribe, guys. See ya.